Introducing the 2022 SEAT Arona PA 1.0 TSI 110B horsepower SE plus 5-door in stunning white exterior color. With only 55745 kilometers on the odometer, this vehicle is practically new. Packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, and more, this car ensures a comfortable and safe driving experience. Safety features include ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. With privacy glass, roof rails, and a stop and start system, this car is both stylish and efficient. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. For more information, call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today.